Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this video, we will insert a new node after the current value or after the current node. So let's begin. So here my function name is that the insert after, and this is the ready linked list. So here we draw the first ready linked list. This is your start, which is pointing to one node. So 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we assume some addresses, for example 1000, 1008, 2000, 3000. Then start have the address 1000. So let's see, this is your two variable temp and the ptr. So in this program there is no need of a pre variable, because here we insert a new node after the current node. So here all these pointers are going to this forward direction. So in forward direction there is no need to add the one extra variable. If you want to insert if your ptr is here and you want to insert this point to this node, so there is a need of to assign the meaning of this node. So here, that's why here we use the previous program, the pre variable. So here in this program there is no need of a pre variable. Okay, so next see that here we accept the one value from keyboard. So here we assume the first value is that the 6, for example 6. So here for pre ptr equal to start. So now here for example this is your ptr. So ptr equal to start. So now address is that the 1000. Next condition, ptr is not equal to null and data is not equal to value. So data is that the 4, so 4 is not equal to 6. True. Okay, going to this. Here there is a semicolon of for loop, ptr equal to ptr of next. Now ptr is going to next here. Okay, so address is that the 1008. Again check the condition, ptr is not equal to null and the data is not equal to value. So 5 is not equal to 6. True. Okay, it is again assigned to this new. So here 2000. Okay, check ptr is not equal to null and the data 6 is not equal to 6. So here we break this condition. So again here if else part, here we check ptr is not equal to null and the data is equal to value. Okay, so see here data is that the 6 and value is that the 6. So here we match the condition, then here insert the new node after the 6. So here temp equal to get node. So temp pointing to the one node, for example this is your node which have the address for example 3030. Okay, so next see that temp of next is equal to ptr of next. So this is your temp of next which is pointing to ptr of next. So ptr of next is point to this the 3000. So here this is also pointing to this 3000. Okay, so temp of next is pointing to this. So temp of next is pointing to this ptr of next. Then next line is that ptr of next. So this is ptr of next. So here we remove this link. So ptr of next is pointing to this temp. Okay, so like this way we insert a new node after the current node. Okay, and here we return the start. So next we see we insert a node at the ending. So here we remove these diagrams. Now here we assume your value is equal to 7. Now we insert a new node after 7. So again check here, this is your ptr. Okay, after breaking this for loop, so ptr is pointing to this address. So here address is that the 3000. Okay, then check here ptr is not equal to null and data is equal to value. So data 7 is equal to 7. Okay, here match this condition going to if. Check here temp equal to get node. Here we draw the one temp. Okay, so this is your node 12. For example this address is that the 3030. Again check temp of next is equal to ptr of next. So temp of next is pointing where the ptr of next is going. So ptr of next is going to null. So that's why temp of next is also null. Okay, then ptr of next equal to temp. So this is your Peter of next. So it is pointing to this 10. So your linked list is that the 4, 5, 6, 7 and 12. Okay. So same code is used, insert a node at the ending. You cannot insert a new node at the front of the linked list, because here we insert a node after the current node. So if your value is that the 4, meaning that you insert a new node after the start node, because 4 is the starting node. Okay. So by using this code, you cannot insert a new node at the beginning. And on previous program, that is the insert before. Also on previous program, you cannot insert a new node at the ending. And here, insert after, you cannot insert a new node at the beginning. So both the program have some limitations. Okay. So on next video, we will see the live program. So we add the two functions, insert before and the insert after. Okay. So we will see some practical section on next video. Now if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.